Want to go?
Huh?
Where do you want to go?
Either into the middle or that way.
It's up to you. I'll follow you.
No, you follow me never works. You lead.
There's a bunch of fighting going on in there, so I must.
You were stuck at the running patch.
You're going first because I can see you.
Get back up to help Delta.
I vote we go up into D.
Yeah.
They're all dead. They're dead.
Over there? You go for that pole?
Yeah.
Oh, there's black one.
Scared me, Tom. You guys say they're dead.
Hey, you put the light on. Yeah, your red light's on. Your helmet.
I don't have the bears. Mine might be on. I can't see it.
Ow, that's a rock. There's dead teammates over there.
Teammate in the bushes over there.
Deadlight's on.
My dead light on?
No, you're good. Mine on?
No.
Okay.
Where you guys want to go?
Huh?
So where you want to go?
You're in front.
I just follow other people.
There's motherfuckers looking at over there. That guy's dead. He has a war gun.
Oh, sure, he's good.
So yeah, they're over that hill. Look at them.
But yeah, green was down in those tunnels.
Oh my god.
Down there is where I died.
Sounds like a real fucking gun for a second there.
Yeah.
Should we try and go up and get that guy?
Yeah. So they're, I know where they're shooting it. They're gonna be at this big fucking tree. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's just push to the fucking corner and then we'll shot through them.
All right. Behind this tree and around.
There, that guy's
We
dead.
can go in front of it, dude. I don't get some, cause they're fucking focused.
Brandon, straight across. I got you.
Get him. They're in that doorway.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Push back up. We have more guys down in front.
You got black coming straight across too.
Hit them. Hit them. Fuck them up. They're working with green. They're coming for Viper today. Straight across?
Yeah.
Sandy, watch your 11 o'clock. We have black. Hit him. He got hit like 6 times.
I'm like, are you kidding me?
Reloading cover.
Oh my god, that wasn't obvious.
Light a door. Right side of door. Where's Delco? All right, I'm gonna move low. Cover it. Ready?
Going up.
Go.
Go. Right side of that door.
Oh, that way.
Yeah. One dude outside's dead.
Get him, Caleb. Fuck him up.
I'm out.
Not you.
Well, say Sergeant. We have code names, damn it.
It's not my fault. I can't follow the
He
code.
said black pushes up on this place.
Yeah, they're coming across. Where's the sergeant run? Straight ahead, they're coming towards us.
Dead.
I don't know
Oh,
if they're still, but they're coming through that gate down there, Caleb.
Cover.
You hit or?
Caleb? That tree got fucked.
Yeah, I got him. Moving?
Yeah.
Got it.
Pan.
Tan.
Gotcha.
Caleb,
So,
I can cover if you want to run and grenade the fuck out of it.
yeah, if you cover me, I'll toss one in.
I can cover. I think I got him.
Oh, Jesus, that one bounced.
Oh,
That one was low.
yeah, it was.
I need medic. Show me how to can.
Oh, shit.
Well, I'm having a good
Hey,
time.
Connor, you're good. Cross. Go. Hit.
Get down, come here. Okay.
Hey, wait, it works. As long as it's on.
I was like, they don't have the angle here. You want to go that way?
I'm gonna move over so I don't get fucked up. Try not to shoot me, please. I love you. How you doing? No one does. You haven't had to beat before? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. My mom said I was gonna get a challenger when I got home. That was hurt. I didn't throw it. I'm sorry. Somebody shot me. I don't know who.
I mean, I got a revival.
She shoots a little spicy sometimes. Block shot. That was all gas.
I gotta call my mother.
I know. What's going off? I'm not hitting him.
That first one got you.
That definitely got him. No. I was said, oh, that was a grenade. Would have grabbed him, but I'm like, nah, fuck that.
Where did mine land?
Yours landed, well, there's two. There was one here and the one here.
The first one landed at the trees that killed us all.
Yeah, that one was very far apart at all.
Oh, believe me, we already are.
Ah, shit. Yeah, dude, those grenades, pretty sneaky. Ah,
Fuck. Shit. Somebody's gonna call the ATF. Oh, shit. No, they're already on the way.
I want to keep my dog low.
Oh, I gotta call PETA too?
Ah, fuck, man. That one hurted. Yeah, I'm wondering when that guy shot me in the goal.
That was the Glock. She shoots a little spicy.
That's a pretty short way, though.
That's a shitty fight.
That was a shit.
It always is.
No, it's a shitty fight from the other side.
Listen, they weren't lying when they said everybody here is going to get shot.
Oh, yeah.
They were not lying.
6 is a fucked up.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. I got a grenade up the back of the plate here. It's a great time. Hurt like shit.
I shot somebody in the hand. Black. Because they had their gun like this. I saw his fingers and I just shot I mean, hey, poke your fingers out.
Brandon.
Another one?
Hit. Nope. Nope.
A little close.
No idea if you can spread it.
Not getting this kill, we're gonna keep getting us out.
It's probably gonna lose you.
You're good.
Left, over, left.
Stop it!
Just wherever.
If you need to, you just push over.
Hard. That hand? That hand.
Killed. They were off to the right. I got shot in the back of the neck. Ow.
I've got one hit to go. I don't think there's any exit out that way either. I got
Okay.
somebody with that grenade. I heard it.
That was a solid grenade.
Same thing.
Oh, there's a way through here.
Caleb.
Caleb. Go, 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 go.
We can push through. Where? I launched off a tourniquet back there.
Dude, there's a fuck ton of black bears over there. Like, black bear members.
I fucking launched one of the tourniquets back there. Yeah.
They're basically straight back.
Yeah.
Shit, I'm about to put out a picnic table.
I need to get water. Fuck.
Mama.
You good?
I have a bladder, I just have to fill it. Yeah.
I think they're tight.
He's right there. Through this bush. I can crawl it. I don't really have range with this thing. Sandy, you want comms?
No. For some reason it won't spin.
You got Green watching us through the window. That's just my baby daddy. You got Green watching us through the window. They know we're back here.
Oh yeah. Alright.
I blew him a kiss. I have to get that thing.
You good, Sam?
I have to get that tourniquet back.
They're popping the door right now.
Reloading.
What do you got that way, Caleb?
There's popping the stuff there. It's not to be in
That's not bad. That race was fucking amazing.
What? I was like, I need more grenades. I'm gonna steal Caleb's.
shooting out the window.
There they are. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna do something.
Stealing grenades. I also can't hear anything, so forgive me.
You want one?
No. I threw my 4.
He's down, he's down.
Good thing you said it. Oh, hit. Oh.
Here, dog. I'll revive you. Dude, I'm just your little
my
angel
left sleeve.
today. Swear?
Left sleeve. Dude, that got between my helmet and my glasses. Thank God for the full seal technical.
Oh, Connor, I thought you were Brandon. Whoops.
Where's that? Look that way. That definitely got us.
Within 10 feet? Really? Think so?
Caleb,
Caleb, that went off there. Do you think?
you think that's 10 feet? Where that
I don't
smoke
know,
plume
dude.
is
Well,
over
I'm
there?
6 foot, and I looked further
It's up
than I
to
am
you, I
long.
guess.
I don't know, dude. That wasn't really that close to us.
That hit me.
Oh, hit, dead.
I'm out.
Oh, that one got it.
I'm gone.
Yeah, that landed there. Yeah, I'm dead. So. Walk it back.
Oh, I can get it.